This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Camaro. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.6-liter V6. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, high-intensity headlights, Chevrolet MyLink, an 8-speaker stereo system, XM satellite radio, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, big 20-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a head-up display, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.